Hello, beautiful women. Good morning and good evening, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, just a short intro here. In this channel, we simplify fashion using logic, balance, and real life practicality. Our focus is to create well balanced look through thoughtful styling instead of blindly following trends. So, let's start with today's video. Let me ask you something today, and please tell me your experience in the comment section if it is relatable or not. One morning you own a nice office outfit, maybe a good pair of trousers and a shirt, and you get ready for the office. But when you look into the mirror, you feel something is still missing to your whole outfit vibes. The outfit really looks good, the clothes fit well, but the whole look still feel incomplete. And then you notice another woman at the office wearing almost the same type of outfit designs, but somehow she looks more elegant, more modern, and more confident. So, tell me, what is the difference you notice now? The answer is most of the time it is not about expensive clothes or the luxury brands. The real difference is small everyday jewelry that we forget to pair with the outfit. But the real problem that many women often face are mornings are always busy for us. I mean, there are many tasks such as you are getting ready for the work, preparing for the day, and there is hardly any time to think about accessories. So most of us simply wear the office outfit, get ready and skip jewelry completely. And sometimes the confusion is even bigger. You have many jewelries, but you are not sure which one actually works with your office outfit. But here is the catch. You don't need a big jewelry collection or expensive pieces. Just a few simple budget-friendly jewelry pieces can instantly upgrade your outfit and make you look more polished and elegant. And in today's video, I am going to show you how simple everyday jewelry ideas that can instantly elevate your office outfit with less time. So, by the end of this video, you will know exactly how to make your office look elegant with minimal effort. So, let's get into it. So, before we jump into the styling ideas, let's first understand something important. Why does jewelry make such a big difference in an outfit? Think about it like this. Clothes create the base of the outfit, but accessories add that elegant touch to the outfit. Without accessories, the office outfit looks unfinished to create that well-balanced and professional look. And jewelry adds small details that bring balance to the look. It draws attention to your face, your neckline, and your overall outfit. And the best part is, jewelry doesn't need to be expensive to wear. Even simple and minimal pieces can make your outfit look more polished and put together. So now let's talk about the first jewelry pieces that every woman should have for everyday office outfit. The first jewelry pieces that we are talking about is minimal design stud earrings. You know the simpler hack? If you don't want to waste your time in thinking which jewelry to match with your office outfit, just go with stud earrings without any second thought. These are simple, elegant, and perfect for everyday wear. They work beautifully with almost every office outfit, whether you are wearing a shirt or a blazer or a kurta or a dress. Stud earrings add a small highlight to your face without looking too heavy or distracting. If you prefer a very minimal look, you can choose small pearl stud earrings, tiny gold studs, or simple geometric designs if you prefer to go with bulky one. It all depends on what type of stud earrings design suits to your face type. They instantly make your outfit look more refined and professional. And the best part is, you don't need to have many pairs. Just 2 or 3 simple designs are enough to style with multiple outfits. So the next jewelry is a simple everyday necklace. The second jewelry pieces that can instantly elevate your office outfit is simple, elegant everyday necklace. We often notice many women skip necklace for office outfits because they think it might look too much. But the secret is to choose minimal and delicate designs. A thin chain with a small pendant works beautifully with shirts, topwear, and of course with any Indian wear. It fills the neckline area and makes the outfit look complete. For example, if you are wearing a shirt or top, A delicate necklace can instantly add a stylish touch without looking overdone. These small details can completely change the overall look of the outfit. So the next element that we will talk about is one elegant watch. So the third accessories that can instantly elevate an office outfit is an elegant watch. And here I am talking about analog watch, and most trending is small dial in 2026. My personal choice is analog watch having gold and silver tone in it. Yes, a watch is not just practical. It is also one of the most stylish accessories you can think to add in capsule wardrobe. A clean and minimal watch adds a very polished and confident look to your whole outfit. It works beautifully with formal office outfit like trousers, blazer and shorts. If you prefer a classic style, you can choose gold, silver or leather strap watches. A good watch instantly gives the impression that your style is intentional and well put together. So the next jewelry is simple bracelets. The fourth jewelry idea for everyday office outfit is simple bracelets. Bracelets add that highlight and elegance to your whole outfit. You don't need to wear many bracelets together. Even one thin bracelet or a minimal bangle can look very stylish. But here is the hack. While choosing jewelry to your whole outfit, make sure it should not overlook to your whole thing. Choose the jewelry in a balanced way and you can see the results instantly. For example, when you move your hands while talking or working, that small details add a graceful touch to your whole look. It's a very small accessory, but it can make your outfit feel more complete. Next jewelry element is small hoop earrings. The jewelry piece that works beautifully with office outfit is small hoop earrings. Hoop earrings are stylish and it can beautifully pair with any office outfit. These are some examples of hoop earrings which works beautifully. The key is to choose small or medium sized hoop, but not very large one. Small hoops works perfectly with many office outfits, especially when you want to add a little more style other than simple stud. They give modern and confident look without feeling too bold for the workplace. So the next time, try to pair it with your office outfit and share your experience in the comment section. Now let's discuss how to keep jewelry minimal and elegant. Now here is an important tip. When styling jewelry for office outfits, always remember one simple rule. Jewelry should be used for highlight, not for overlook to office. You don't need to wear every piece of jewelry at the same time. Try to choose one or two pieces that complement your outfit. For example, you can wear stud earrings plus analog watch, or a beautiful necklace and a bracelet. Similarly, we can pair many more. Just keep in mind, wear jewelry that should not overlook your whole outfit. Keeping jewelry minimal makes the outfit look elegant instead of overwhelming. So now let's recap what we discussed today. So let's recap simple jewelry ideas that can instantly elevate your office outfit. Minimal stud earrings, simple everyday necklace, elegant watch, simple bracelet, and small hoop earrings. These are small pieces, but they can make a big difference in your overall look. And the best part is, you don't need an expensive jewelry. Even simple and budget-friendly pieces can work beautifully if styled in the right way. Now, as we are wrapping up the video, let's discuss the summary part. Looking elegant is not about wearing luxury brands. It's about paying attention to small details. Sometimes the smallest accessories can completely transform a simple outfit into something stylish and confident. So the next time you are getting ready for the work, try these small details. Just one or two simple jewelry pieces can instantly elevate your whole outfit. I hope this video helped you to discover how easy to upgrade your everyday office style with less time. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more fashion and styling tips. Thank you so much for watching till now, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, bye bye.